Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to skip video on TikTok. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. You just make sure to watch the complete video carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. So guys, to skip a video on TikTok, you can use some methods. For example, just open the TikTok app, and here you can see the white line at the very end. When playing the TikTok video, look for a thin white line at the bottom of the screen, and you can use this line to fast forward, rewind the video, and here's how to use it. Touch and hold the white dot on the line and drag it to left or right to fast forward or rewind the video, and the time code will increase or decrease above the progress bar as you drag the dot. So release the dot when you reach the desired part of the video. So this is how you can easily skip the video on your Android device. Hope you guys like my video. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel for more valuable content in the future.